Hey foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, kindly hit that subscribe button for more delicious content. So today, let's talk about a classical Nigerian dish that belongs so many, which is pounded yam and egusi soup. If you've never had it, you are in for a treat as we explore why it's such a staple in Nigerian homes. Pounded yam is made from yam that is boiled, pounded until smooth, and served as a perfect accompaniment to a rich soup. The texture is soft, stretchy, and perfect for dipping into your soup. It is filling and hearty, making it a favorite at a big family gathering or celebration.
Ní bàbá kan ò tó mọ iyọ̀, kò tiẹ̀ fi mí ṣeré rárá, ó mọ iyọ̀. Olùtùnú mi ló jẹ́ nínú gbogbo wàhálà o. Àwògbàrùn máa gbẹ̀dẹ́, olúlu ọ̀run. Àtòkojúlé, àtòfarasù, ọba dání máa.
Now we have the egusi soup. This soup is made from grounded melon seed, cooked with a mix of vegetables, meat, and fish. It is rich, flavorful, and a little bit of everything in one dish. The combination of the egusi, along with the spices and the meat, makes it a comfort food that is loved by many Nigerians and beyond. What's special about pounded yam and egusi soup is that it's more than just food. It's about tradition. Whether it's a Sunday family meal, a wedding, or a celebration, you will often find this dish on the table. It brings people together, and honestly, there is no wrong way to enjoy it. It's a meal that is rich in history, flavor, and culture. So, if you ever had the pleasure of enjoying pounded yam and egusi soup, you know it's a true Nigerian classic. If not, it's definitely worth trying if you ever get the chance. What's your favorite Nigerian dish? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food content. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.